Hi everyone, it's Sylvia here from Sylvia's Marketing and welcome to my Optimize review. Now, I have been so looking forward to making this review because I do have so much faith in this product. Well, as you can see guys, I am inside the members area, so I do have access to this product, and not only have I watched all of it, but I have actually bought the product myself, and I even got one of the upgrades. So I'm really excited to get my journey started with this amazing product. And what this product is all about is about YouTube, about mastering YouTube. So it's really for people who are looking to, not only, but mainly for people who are looking to open up a YouTube channel and they want to learn how to, well, optimize it, right? How to put everything right in order to be ranking high, in order to be found on YouTube. And like whatever you want to do really, because YouTube is such a powerful source of traffic. I would say, like, you know, YouTube, Google, like #1 really. It's not only for people who want to just, you know, purely make money out of this channel, but it's also just for people who want to put some like message across, like I'm doing affiliate marketing, I am reviewing products, but this is just a start for me. I'm also thinking of opening another YouTube channel where I'll be talking about things that I am really truly passionate about, because I've done so much research over the last over a decade, and so on, like different passions in mine, and I just want to share it with the world. And like with this product, I will be found. So I'm like so excited actually about making use of it. So with this like long introduction, that's what it is. Yeah, it will help you set up your YouTube channel, optimize it, so you can be found by many people. And that's critical. It's critical to. It's not only what you want to do. You have to know the how as well. And with that said, let me just show you. Let me give you a little bit of a background. Who actually created this amazing product? Okay, so this is Mark Gray, Will Stephens, and Connor Crowley. Okay, these guys are my colleagues actually, because I am a member of a high-ticket course called Ministry of Freedom, and I met them inside this course because we have this amazing community, amazing Facebook group where we inspire, motivate, support each other. And I am telling you, so many, because I am not a tech person. To me, it was kind of like a crazy step to take to go into affiliate marketing, but hey, I'm always up for a challenge. And so many times I was on the verge of like quitting, but I reached out to so many of the members, and well, not many, but a few, and they really gave me a hand and kept me going. Anyhow, you know, like these guys, Connor and Will, they have been members of Ministry of Freedom just under a year, and they reached out to Mark Gray. Mark Gray is like, he's got a website called The Wolf of Online Marketing. He is the wolf. He's the like top affiliate marketing, making crazy money. Not only that, but he's like I mean, this is a fact. Yeah, but he's got a heart of a giant. I don't know if that's a compliment, but what I'm trying to say is he's got a gigantic heart. He's such a humble, real, genuine person, and such a like powerful source of knowledge. It's unbelievable. And like they reached out to him and training them, and with all that knowledge that they gained from the training from Mark Gray, they put this amazing product together. That, you know, the price of this product for now, the front, is $13. Yeah, this is like ridiculously cheap for the quality you are actually getting, because it's going to sell like crazy. It's already converting like crazy. I think it was launched a few days ago. It's like a bestseller. That's why I'm wholeheartedly recommending this product. So anyhow, just a little bit of a background, so you know this is like not another scam or something like, you know, like a BS product, because I do not want to recommend BS products at all. So these guys created this product. Okay, guys. Well, if you're interested, stick with me because I'll show you the product properly. Also, guys, I have prepared some bonuses for you if you decide to pay this product via the link that I have attached down below my video. So check out my products bonuses. Let's check it out quickly because I don't want to spend too much time on my bonuses, to be honest with you, because I'm too excited about the Optimize, about talking about Optimize really. But here are the bonuses from me. So just 4 of them. One is the first one, and the second one will teach you about how to generate free traffic. The number 3 will show you how to make your money with like a method called 0-hour workdays method. And the 4th one is gonna be about how to actually buy John Armstrong, and John Armstrong is actually creator of Ministry of Freedom that this high ticket course I am a member of. So this bonus is from him, how to build a website from scratch with WordPress. And the last one is a special bonus from actually Connor and Will, and it's gonna show you how to succeed on YouTube without even showing your face like I am showing, just by going incognito. Alright, so again, if you wish to take advantage of my bonuses, you click on the link below, and then this will take you to this my very bonus page. After that, you just click on any of these pink buttons. They will take you to a sales page. From there, you just need to click instant access, and then you will end up on a platform called Warrior Press. From there, it's very straightforward. You just submit your details, your email, and then you click on this access affiliate bonuses, and the product is yours. My bonuses are yours. You're good to go. Anyhow, any questions, any difficulties with purchasing the product, please contact me below my video in the comment section. Alright, so let me show you quickly the sales page. So yeah, these guys I already meant to you at the end of the sales page. Sorry, bear with me, this page is just jumping up and down. Sorry, I had to stop for a second because it was too noisy. Anyhow, this is the sales page. So this sales page was actually done by John Armstrong's team. It's very fancy looking, but it's very detailed. It's a nice sales page, well done, and like it just says, never seen before, unlock exclusive high ticket profit strategies for a rock bottom course. That's what I said. It's top information, like absolutely amazing information. I promise that to you. And you know, like my integrity is number one thing to me, and I would not be like wholeheartedly recommending something if I didn't believe in it. So check out this bonus page in your own time, guys. You do have access to it, so I will not be wasting your time. You will see some like testimonials here, like the money they were making before, and the money they're making now, and the progress they made. It's quite amazing. And there's like some of these guys here who like gave the testimonies here. I do know from Ministry of Freedom, like this one here, Vlad. I love this guy. He's given me so much support, and he's just saying how much he appreciates this product. Okay, please check out the sales page in your own time. Let me just show you the members area. Okay, you get this product. This is what you get inside. And I love what they say, like, we recommend that you turn off all notifications and distractions and take notes while watching the videos below. Putting into practice what you learn here will be well worth your time and attention. Okay, so this is a quick introduction from Will. Now you can subscribe to Will channel here. Check out this is Will, and right underneath will be an introduction from Connor. Check out the YouTube channels. I do that regularly, and they have so much content you can learn from. It's unbelievable. Okay, I do recommend. Okay, now look at this. Okay, this is the course content. I mean, like, wow, I've been through, like, I've watched all of it, but it's so much information. It's like, they show you step by step what you need to do with your YouTube channel. So you literally can, like, pause, copy and paste if you're a newbie, because this is very newbie friendly. It's for anyone really, and they have some advanced tactics here as well, and some upgrades. So yes, there's a lot. There's module 1 about they like new and age channels, like taking like buying an age channel would be of an advantage because it would help you with your ranking. So loads of tips like channel setup, channel optimization, watermarks, recording your first video, capturing your screen, OBS full setup. OBS is a screen recorder. I'm not using that one yet. I'm actually using one called Screencast-O-Matic, but with this I will actually switch to OBS because it's much better quality, but I'm not that advanced yet, so I'm definitely using this from this product. And module 2, much more information, and then case studies, and then what to do next. And they have free bonus training. Let me show you the bonus training. So all of the videos are here, and they're like anything from 5 up to like half an hour long or something like that. And then there will be this bonus, amazing. So case studies, they talk about their own experience and how they have done with this method, and they talk about what they have learned throughout their making money online journey. So this bonus is amazing. This bonus could like, actually Mark Gray, the wolf of online marketing, told them, like, guys, this could be an upsell. No, they were thinking of making this as an upsell, but Mark told them, no, put it there at the front end, and just give people a lot of value. You see, that's how amazing he is. And so they put this bonus here for you that you can access with the front end. It's only £13, and that is actually for people who don't want to show the faces on camera while making the videos, and they can still make amazing money with YouTube, just like I am showing my face, right? My pretty face. Yeah, humble me. Anyhow, and there are the upsells. Now the upsell I personally got is this Pro version. It looks totally amazing, and here they give you tips on all the softwares you will need. Most of the softwares are free actually, and in this version here they give like super secrets, right? So I want to have access to those secrets. And here are done for you content like videos, because when you start it's nice to like have some videos that you can put on your channel. And also you can get access to coaching, and you can get reseller rights. Okay, so I kind of rush it through, guys, because I could talk about this product all day long, but this would be taking too much of your time. The bottom line is an unbelievably good product. I have they have put that's the first product. They have been working for months on it. They have put their heart and soul into it. So check it out, guys. If you do think it's right for you, please get it through my link that I have put down below my video, and that will give you access to the product and my bonuses. Alright, with that said, I will see you in my next video. Have a beautiful day and stay blessed. Take care.